12. What time is it? There's my other phone. It's 12:24 right now. So I should be up. I've been up since like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. even if it's like a Sunday, and I've just been going through my phone, going through TikTok, usual routines, going through social media, which is what I do every time I wake up and so forth. But in today's vlog, I will be package from koopower that I told you guys I will open in the next video, so I will do that, and then just a few other things that I ordered online. Yes, let's get going. I figured that since I already talked about like a bit about my morning routine when I wake up, I will just go into detail about that. So usually when I wake up, it's really depending, and most times I wake up earlier than I should say. For example, if it's a weekend, I would love to wake up like at 11 or something, but in most cases I'm up like at 7 and I spend the whole day just being tired. But I wake up, I check my social media. This is like typical. And then today I had breakfast at 7 a.m. and I did laundry. Usually just wake up, go through social media a bit, then get ready for work, or yeah. So I got the biggest package that I've like yet received. My assumption is something probably happened, that DHL had to repack like the entire thing, and that's why, well, it also says repacked, so it means that something happened on the way during the delivery, and they had to like repackage it. So I hope everything is still intact. This was a gift, like in German you say Geschenk, which is a gift from a business that saw my YouTube videos, and they decided to send me some things that I can try out. So I don't know what's in here, so we're all going to find out together. I must warn everyone that I'm so bad with unwrapping things, but I got my scissors ready today. Already scared. Plus, I really cannot tell. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys do not know. Goodness me, there's so many pieces in there. Look at like how many things are in there. Look at all these things. Okay, let's open a few boxes. I mean, most of the things that Cooper has are like household items, and so my guesses are around there, but this one says handy house towel. It got a bit cold in the apartment because the sun is really not out, so I had to wear a sweater, but let's continue. And that is that. I kind of opened this one and made like a whole thing about it, but then I realized the sound was really bad, so I'm going to repeat that. This is a wireless car charger and automatic induction car holder. So like if I'm filming videos in the car, I think this is going to be amazing. I don't have my own car as yet, but like still it's just nice to have these accessories, and I think I can also probably use it like somewhere else. Some of the products are actually repeat, like there's more than one item of the same product, which is really good. There's a manual inside of like how you can actually use it, and that's how the manual kind of looks like. And these are the items inside. Like I said, I'd already kind of like opened it to in the previous clip. Yeah, so it comes with a charger, and that's kind of like the holder. I think you would kind of put it in like that, I would imagine. Oh, it expands such that you can adjust it to like fit your phone. This is my old phone, and then I imagine that like it has like that that rubber clip that you can position like at the front of your car or wherever you prefer to have it. And then I'm imagining like if you assemble it, you'll kind of look like that maybe. But I won't assemble it now because that's just gonna take forever. And there's an extra like, I mean, again, I have to just use the manual to kind of see everything, which I won't go into right now. The different is this one, and it says the Gesichtsreinigungsbürste, which is like the brush, a brush for cleaning your face. This I'm really excited about, and it says without battery. So I don't know if without battery means it hasn't come with a battery in, or it means you don't have to use a battery, because that would be amazing. Then it means you don't have to like recharge it all the time and so forth. Let's find out what it looks like inside. I'm really excited about this. The packaging is really good, and that's kind of how it looks like. I think I had something a bit similar, but it wasn't electric, so it's really nice to have this. And it's waterproof, it's convenient for bathroom usage. Oh my goodness, I'm not the best at opening packages. I'm just going with everything. Okay. So, ooh, really exciting. So that's kind of like the manual of how you can use it. We've got the machine itself, like the handle. Oh, it's the other way around. Uh-oh. The handle, the brush. There's a mini brush as well. It's like a soft sponge, and I think that's another kind of like sponge like that. But ooh, look, guess who is gonna have a very clean face. Okay, at the back it tells you how you kind of have to use it. It's made with very soft bristles, so that's really good like for your skin, because as we know, like skins are very tender. You can use it for exfoliation. You can use the sponge and so forth. So there's the, yeah, it's the small one was a pumice. It's kind of like that. It has like the instructions of how you can use it. The button, is the button for switching on and off, of course. And the handle is rubber, so that one is rubber. Yeah, that's really something I'm looking. Oh, Lichterkette. So I got some lights. Okay, these you can use like for your like wedding, it says, or like fine arts side, which is like Christmas time. And the funny thing is, like around Christmas last year, I was really like trying hard to find like fairy lights, and I failed. It's not like I failed because they were not there, I just kind of didn't come around to getting them. And I've been thinking about getting lights like in my room, etc, and that didn't happen, and now I kind of got these for free, so that's really cool. Nice. So it has the name of the company on there, koopower, and that's how they kind of like look like. What does it say? It has 200 total bulbs, like 200 of them. Warm light. You can control it, like you can use the remote to kind of like turn them on and off. That's a lot of them. There's also a manual, just like everything else, and those are kind of like the lights. I have to figure out how to set that up, if I want to do that now or later. That would be like something I have to decide on. Comes with a remote control, like I said. These are the lights, so many of them, the tiny socket, and the plug. So okay, I probably won't go into opening like all of the items, but I won't. I'm not saying probably, I won't go into opening all of them, but I thought I should open like one of the big ones as well. Really cool. I think I'm like very excited about this one as well, mainly because you can put it on the table. So there's that. Oh, I'm actually happy because when I checked out the website, I was worried that it was going to be really big. The lead-tree desk, the other way around, the LED desk tree. So these are kind of like the instructions on how to use them. It's only for indoor use. Cool. It's called the LED tree light, and they kind of tell you how to kind of use it, and the product itself. That's really cute. Like it's just enough. I feel like it's the perfect size. And you kind of maybe do that and then put it on the okay, this is really exciting. This I'm very happy about. I'm happy about everything, but that I'm happy about. The table is getting fuller and fuller. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a 4-port USB cable power adapter. And that's really cool because I have so many like adapters lying around because I have a couple of gadgets that I have to charge. And so having just like one adapter, one USB power adapter or port is the best thing that can happen to me at this point. A manual again, kind of is that, which maybe that doesn't really apply to Germany because the sockets usually just have like two what are they called, holes you can plug in, so that should work maybe fine. But actually I like that they have like different versions. It means like if you order any of their products, or if you order this and you're living like in the UK for example, then you're able to use your to use it because and this is for Germany for sure. Cool, just so many different options. And that's how it kind of is like. It's gonna be very handy when I'm traveling and stuff. Let's see, a total of about 5 items, which I really, really love. Like, I'm hyped about all of them. And then there's just several pieces from the same products. And that's really good news for you guys because it means you can actually win some giveaways. And that I'm also very excited to do. Cool. The last thing that I am going to unpack today is something I'm really excited about because I'm actually really, really hungry. And that's from YFood. And the way I came about to ordering this is I was actually like watching I think a YouTube video, and then it showed up as an ad, so I just ordered. Now we're back to this struggle. So that's how everything kind of looks like. So there's different flavors in. So the first one is cold brew coffee, and it has 26 vitamins. I was gonna say vitamins. And it's rich in proteins. It's lactose free, gluten free, and without any additional sugars. So that's really, really good for your system. Ooh, I'm excited. The next one says classic Choco, like classic chocolate, I think. And it's the same thing. Lactose free without any extra sugars, gluten free. Crazy coconut. I love the names. That is probably what I'll drink first. I can't tell. Or I will drink vanilla, because vanilla is my thing. Like anything with vanilla to it, I'm like, okay, vanilla flavors. And they're all just different flavors. And this is like it says happy banana. And my friend, a friend of mine, really doesn't like bananas because she says like once you put a banana in anything, everything suddenly smells like bananas. And if she watches this video, she's gonna be like, oh, bananas again. So I probably drink the banana one last when I'm like out of, you know, like choices. But I really like how they look. They just look so good. Like, do you ever just look at a product and you feel like, I feel so healthy? That's how I feel. My craziness is if I see something that I like, I'll take like, not one of the item, but like all of the things. So this was like a trial pack. And so if you guys want to feel healthy or get some vitamins in your body, you can try out YFood. Check out their website at yfood.de or .com, one of those. Stay curious and not hungry is what they say. Okay.